Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Pisces. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, career situation, your love energy, guys. So this is for your daily energy, Pisces. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love reading, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck, guys. So this will be a general guidance what we can follow to make things go in a much harmonious way, guys, in our day-to-day life. So that is the guidance card, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first, Pisces. It's Three of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your situation, Pisces, this may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. You are putting in tremendous efforts, guys, in your work or in your personal life. You are a very responsible person, but whatever the results you are getting, that is not up to the mark. It may be something that you never expected, something less than what you expected, and that may be stressing you, and you may feel you may be weak because of your health. Maybe you are having some health issues, maybe for some of you, or it may be some problems with your family members, with this person or your family, maybe your parents. Something is worrying you or stressing you today, guys. That is what I see with this card. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, Pisces. Seven of Swords. So with this card, there is someone just waiting to grab your offers and opportunities, guys. So you need to be really careful of this person. So they may be trying to use you in some way, make use of your efforts, your skills, and they may not give you credits, or it may be someone who's waiting to rob you of your maybe literally rob you also. So you have to be really careful, Pisces. That is what I see. And if it is someone in your career situation, you have to be really careful, guys. That is what I see. Someone waiting to make use of your efforts for their benefit. So you have to be really careful. That is what I see with this card, Pisces. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Knight of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, this person you are in connection with, guys, they are not thinking about you. They have their focus on something else, guys. So they do not love you. They are just in this connection to make use of you in some ways, trick you, maybe because of your position, it may be your financial status. They are there in this connection just to make use of you in some ways, but they do not have love, guys. That is what I see with this card. So you need to be really careful. They have their love interest is not you. They have someone else. So their focus is not on you, Pisces. That is what I see with this card here, guys. So let us see what is your oracle guidance. Building blocks. So this card stands for that strong foundation. So it may if it is something in our relationship, guys, when we build this relationship on honesty, humility, clear communication, and genuine desire to know each other, we will build this connection on that strong foundation, and we will be able to, and this connection will withstand all the troubles and any stressful situation, guys. So we will be powerful together in this connection when we build this connection on that truth. Same way in our work situation also, when we build that, do our work based on that strong intention that we have for ourselves, that goals we and the dreams whatever we have, and the truth about that dreams or goals that we have in ourselves, we will be able to make that strong foundation in our work, guys. So we will move towards that greater prosperity and abundance in life. So that's what this guidance is about, guys. So we have to build a strong foundation, let it be our work or our personal life, and that foundation, if we want it to be strong, it should be built on truth. So that is what this guidance is about. So that is the reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.